Nonprofits can rebuild trust after a crisis or reputational issue by focusing on storytelling and disseminating the organization's good news. That's where many fall short. We say at Rosica, the best defense is a good offense. So if you're regularly generating positive stories about a nonprofit, number one, the crisis is a lot less likely to gain momentum. And number two, people will remember the lion's share of the stories, not necessarily one story they read that was negative. So that is how you rebuild trust. You tell your stories repeatedly and you make sure that you demonstrate impact through that storytelling.